So the Outlander looks a little different. I put a 6-inch lift on it. I don't have the rear on yet. I just got the front on. I bought a 6-inch Super ATV lift. I bought it used off of Facebook Marketplace, and I took it to my buddies and got it powder coated Can-Am red. And so I got the front on. It looks pretty sick. It's gonna be a lot bigger than it was. And right now the rear is still getting powder coated, so it'll probably be another few days before I can get the rear slapped on. But yeah, I got both the front axles when I bought the lift off the guy, and I had to order 2 brand new rear axles. So I have 2 brand new Rhino rear axles. And yeah, putting the lift on really isn't that hard. I mean, you take off your shock, you take off the upper control arm, lower control arm, you know, knock the ball joints out, get the knuckle off, pull your axle out, take your tie rod off. And honestly, the hardest part of this job was getting a wrench in there to tighten up the tie rods onto the pitman arm. But yeah, I got the front on. Hopefully it performs well. I don't know if this is a normal thing with Super ATV, but that is not slid in the diff all the way. And that's literally as far as I can get it to slide in. I mean, when I got it, I slid it in, and then I held the axle up straight, like level with the diff, and I put the nut on and was tapping it with a hammer, and it would not slide in anymore. So I don't know what the deal is with that. If someone could comment down below how to fix that, or if that's just the way it's supposed to be. Because I know Mud Puppy had a 6-inch Super ATV lift on his Renegade, and he had problems with this axle shearing off in the diff almost every ride. So that's what I'm not trying to do. And if you guys know anywhere to get some extended brake lines, because I bought the lift used, so he didn't give me the brake lines. So right now I just have my calipers stuffed up there. So really I don't have any brakes, which kind of sucks. So I need to order some extended brake lines. I'm probably going to email Super ATV, see if I can get some of those shipped out. But yeah, it's not hard to install. And then, of course, you got the little block you put up there. And I guess these were already pre-adjusted because I didn't have to turn those at all. And the camber looks pretty good. And I got the tie rods tuned in just right. So, yeah. I plan on putting either 33s or 32.5-inch Outlaw 2s on it. I was going to do Assassinators, but I really don't like Assassinators. And then I thought about doing Outlaw 3s like what I have now and a 33, but those are expensive. So I'm probably just going to find a set of 32.5-inch Outlaw 2s and slap on there. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next clip whenever I got the rear on. So as you can see, I still don't have the back part of the lift on yet, because it's not done getting powder coated yet. But I thought I'd come in here tonight, and right now we are installing the rock lights I got. And I'm just using the hardware that came with it. Yeah, these bolts are gonna be sticking through, but honestly, I mean, I don't really care. And in the back, you can't even see them. They're up under the rack right there. But hopefully these look good. They are, let's see what brand are these. They are Sunpie. I think I got them off of Amazon for like 48 bucks after tax, and they had free shipping. Comes with a remote controller and their Bluetooth. All you have to do is scan the QR code right there, and it'll download the app for you so you can control it off of Bluetooth. And I only got 4 rock lights, and supposedly Bluetooth controller is supposed to be waterproof. So I'm probably just gonna put this up under the seat somewhere. I don't really know where else to put it. So yeah, I will show you guys what it looks like whenever I get it all hooked up. So I got the rock lights on. I just have one under each wheel, or under each fender, I should say. They look pretty sick. There's red. That's probably the color I'm gonna be rocking since the bike is red. That kind of goes with the theme. I want to get some red halos, put in the headlights and everything. I think that'd be pretty sick. Yeah, I really like the white and the red. Those are really the only two colors I like, but I want to get some halos. And yeah, that's probably gonna be it on the rock lights, so let's move on to the lift.